Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how I make instant oatmeal, and this is one of my favorite um, flavors here, apple and cinnamon. So first thing you want to do is just pour all of it in the bowl, like so. And for me, instant is in the means in the microwave. You want to add, you can add water or milk, or you can add both. That's what I do. I add both. I add a little bit. I add water and I add milk. Okay. And basically, you just want to stir it up, and you can add to your liking. I mean, if you like soupy oatmeal, then add more water or milk, and if you don't like soupy, add less. Next, we're going to stick this in the microwave. Oops. For I would say a minute and 30 seconds, between 1 and 2 minutes, and let it cook. And this thing comes in all kind of flavors too, right? Like, show you. There's the box that I have. Instant oatmeal, maple and brown sugar, apples and cinnamon and spice. I like the apples and cinnamon. That's my favorite. And just let it, comes individually. So you can find this at your local store, Weis Market, Walmart, Giant probably has it. And it's almost done. Hope you're having a good day today. What's today? Today is Tuesday, December the 12th, 2017. It's almost done, boys and girls. Almost done. Bam. All right. And that's how it looks when it's done. And now you just want to stir it up. Like I said, I like mine like that. I like it thick. Not real soupy. That's pretty much how you make instant oatmeal. Delicious. All right, so you guys have a good day. Go get you some oatmeal. Oatmeal's good for you. All right, peace.